Super excited about my new paper towel. Let's put it together. It's super easy to install. All you need to do is grab this and turn it here in place. Then grab the mushroom. The mushroom, you just place it in here. Look how cute. Then grab the bunny. And then you have 3 little openings here, and choose like one of them to place it in, and voila. And why it's 3? Because the less you have paper towel, the smaller you want it, so it holds it in place. And I'm gonna demonstrate. Here is my paper towel. Let's remove the mushroom so we can put it in. We place it in here. Okay, so this paper towel is thin, so to hold it in place, we need to place the bunny very close to it, like that. So basically it will hold it, and when you turn it, it will be easier for you to remove the paper towel. Isn't this just a genius idea, using cute little stuff to make that paper towel holder? So it does look super cute on your table, like that. Also, you can install these, and this is the final look. Beautiful.